has been some products that have overpromised in the past. So, okay. Hey, you may be asking for too much. Hola gente! What is up, my badass angels? Welcome to our little bubble in the internet where we test out new hair care for the very first time on camera, and then we decide together what works and what doesn't. As you guys can probably guess by the title, today is the turn of KERASTASE Discipline Fluidissime with Morpho-Keratin. This is a leave-in spray. Promises just about everything that I would ever hope for in this category. Heat protection, smoothness, shine, and most importantly, up to 72 hours of freeze control. 72 hours.
What?
I have already reviewed other products by the same discipline line, and I'm going to be linking those reviews right here in the eye at the corner. For the purpose of this video in particular, I wanted to stick to just demoing this one product to see if it is actually worth purchasing by itself or if it is really so codependent with the rest of its family. So here's the plan for today. I'm going to be doing a kind of a side-by-side with and without situation, and then we're really going to scrutinize the final result and see if this is worth purchasing or not. Before we begin with the application, make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more of these types of videos in which basically my hair and my bank account take the bullet for you guys. And now yes, let's apply this and see how it looks. So I'm basically going to try to split this in half. And it says to spray on towel dried hair. And now I'm going to detangle using my tangle teaser. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this in the bathroom so that we have no contamination of any kind, and I'm gonna be right back. And alright, now yes, we are ready. I am going to use my Elhim 3900 Healthy Ionic blow dryer to blast dry both sides up to, I don't know, about 50–60%. We're moving on to sectioning so that we can style here in like smaller pieces. And now we're going to use my favorite tool these days to style my hair.
Enchanté.
This is the Hot Tools 24 karat gold one-step hair dryer. Alright, stop the engines. I want to take a very, very close look and see how these two sides compare. Please disregard the annoying light shift. Alright, so these are my thoughts from what I'm seeing right now. It is quite lightweight. It doesn't feel like you've got product at all. And I definitely don't like when leave-in creams or any leave-in type of product that promises to fight frizz does that at the expense of making my hair look very pasty, feel kind of heavy. As far as frizz control, I do notice a bigger difference kind of in my ends, like right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you can. Maybe I should come closer. There, I do see some more frizz control on this side. This side, the ends look a little bit puffier than on the side in which I applied the Fluidissime spray. You know what the biggest difference I feel right now, right after this first use? This side without just feels a little bit more like straw. Definitely feels smoother, softer on this side. Wow, now that I have zoomed in, I kind of feel that the difference is, it's kind of unquestionable if you ask me. I mean, look at the frizz on this section. I'm not saying this is completely flawless, and I want to check the shine right there. Ooh, that's a nice shine. Let's see the side without. Okay, I don't think it's as much as the other side. And that makes sense. So as this side feels more hydrated and smoother, it should bounce light a little bit more at least. And I guess the last comment I want to make about this product is that I'm gonna have to trust KERASTASE as far as the heat protecting action. However, with long-term use, any heat protectant that is effective will show on the quality and health of your hair and mine, of course. So I will definitely try to use it a few more times and update you on my thoughts on that. By the time I edit this, it will probably be anywhere between 24 to 36 hours that I would have tested this out, and this is a time where I'm going to include a tiny off voice or picture or anything showing you guys how we're doing. Hey guys, yes, this is Heidi from the future, and I wanted to include a very quick update as promised. The side with the product is definitely still looking a lot less frizzy than the side without, so all good on that front so far. However, if you're looking for a product that will help you hold on to kind of the final result after styling your hair, you know, that fresh blowout, that is not what this product is for. It did not help me in that department, but it didn't promise to either, so I guess we're good. Also, regarding the ingredients, this contains amodimethicone and phenyl trimethicone, which are both silicone, so definitely not a silicone-free product. It also contains glycerin and hydrolyzed wheat protein. So there you heard the update from Heidi from the future. So all in all, I'm going to give this product a thumbs up because I do feel that it does what it promises to do. I personally do see a difference, but I thought it was going to be an even bigger one. And that is a wrap, my badass angels. I hope this video gave you enough pros and cons to make the right purchase decision for you and you alone. As always, every single product mentioned and used throughout this video is going to be listed and linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. If you decide to use my links on this or any of my other videos, so check out my merch, the Badass Angel t-shirts and mugs and towels and all that good stuff. I'm still waiting for my own order, but you know, this a very chaotic world these days and there's tons of delays, but one day I know I'm going to be able to put my own merch on and show you guys. I designed the Badass Angel merch with only one thought in mind, that I keep reminding you and to myself that no matter what comes our way, we should stay brave because we are badasses with hearts of angels. And I will catch up with you guys again on Saturday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Next, I'm going to